what we want you to do is have the damper in the open position. Get the amp draw off the meter over there. Okay? Then I want you to get the static pressure. This meter here tells you the static pressure. Okay? This tells you static, this tells you total velocity pressure and air velocity. I'll get to this in a minute. But right now we're just focused on the damper position, the amp draw on the meter, and static pressure. Okay? Now, once you get those two, then we want the damper to be 3/4 closed. Close it up 3/4.
And then just check everything again.
Amp draw, static.
Fuzzy.
Okay? So on and so forth. Half. Quarter. See how it's changing? Closed. Okay? That's it for chart 1. Right? Now,
Chart 2 is the
any questions?
That was chart 1, right?
That was chart 1. Then I also need to, I want you to tell me, does the pressure go up, down, static pressure, so on and so forth. Okay? Now, next is chart number 2. Any questions on chart 1, by the way?
Oh, the amp draw you get, that's out of
Amp draw, static pressure, velocity, and total pressure. Okay, guys. Now, I told you guys that the sheave is going to be 4 inches in diameter. Alright? That's the sheave right there. Technically, that one's 3 3/4 in diameter, but you can say it's 4. Alright, to figure out the size of it, let me show you. Size of the sheave, okay? So you're going to measure it first. I already gave you the sizes in the class. Alright? Let's see here. Alright. Measure from end to end. And actually this is 4 inches. Okay? From here to here is 4 inches. When you have the sheave all the way in, like it is now, it's 4 inches. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it on. You already wrote down the size of it in class. I already showed you that, okay? I want you to get the amp draw off of the meter, okay? Now, we're going to get static pressure, velocity, and total pressure. Check it out, guys. Up here. Adriano has it all marked for you guys. The static pressure, write it down, okay? 0.372. Velocity pressure. I'm done. Now, all right, check it out, guys. Velocity pressure is on the top part of the magnet helix. Air velocity is the bottom part of the magnet helix. Okay? So, our amp draws off the meter. Our static pressure is off this first magnet helix, digital magnet helix. Velocity pressure is the top of the analog magnet helix. Okay? Velocity, total pressure is this magnet helix here. Alright? Air velocity and air volume. So air velocity is the bottom. This one here is 16. Okay? Now, we need to get our air volume. Remember how I showed you how to do that?
Air velocity is the bottom of the scale?
The bottom one. Just like the sticker, how it's labeled.
Okay.
Velocity pressure is the top part. Air velocity is the bottom part. Figure out our air volume. And that,
5 by 1.08.
no, you're good though. You're almost right. Okay. We need to measure the ductwork. Don't try that at home. All right, guys, come on over here. We need to figure out out the diameter of the ductwork here at the end. We said standard cubic foot is 12 by 12, okay? This ductwork here is 13
By 11.
13 by 8,
13 by 8.
okay?
Okay.
So,
13 by 8.
what's 13 times 8, guys? Alright, get your phones out. Get out. 1.04?
Yeah.
Alright, check it out, guys. So, last week got something good, that's okay. So it's 1.04. 1.04 divided by what? 144. What does that come to?
1.04. Wait, you said 13 times 8
Yeah, which is 104.
is 104. Are you,
Alright, so here, check it out. 13 times 8 equals 104. Okay? Get rid of that. There. 104. Divide that by what, guys?
144.
No, wait. 144
144?
divided by 104 is 1.38. Okay?
Wait, so how you get this? 13 times 8, and then you get 104, and then
Yes.
104 divided by what?
144.
144, and what do you get with the
144 divided by,
It should be 104 divided by 144.
yeah, 104 divided by, so it's 1.38, right?
No, it should have been
It should be
0.72.
0.72.
0.72. Okay, so we're at 0.72. Okay, that's how we got the number. Want to go over it one more time?
Yes, please.
We're going to times that by the air velocity. Okay?
16.
16 times 0.72 equals 1152. 11.52. That's our air volume. That's how we get the air volume.
we're going to be using that 0.72.
Yes,
So
we are.
That's times air velocity?
Yes. So just write down here the 0.72. So then we get this velocity. So let's just say, I'm just pulling this out of the air. All right? Let's just say this one. Now I want to show you how to adjust the sheave diameter. Okay. In class, what did we say it was? 4 inches.
Yes.
Then we're going to do it to 3 3/4. Okay. 3 1/2 and 3 1/4. Okay. Now let me show you how we're going to do that. All right.
Turn that off.
Allen wrenches. Thank you, sir. Okay, now. What we need to do here is we need to adjust the pulley so now it's down to 3 3/4. Right? Take the belt off. Make sure the power is off. Okay? Take the belt off. The Allen wrench. Alright? Loosen up the set screw inside. Alright? You're going to open it up 1 full turn. There's half and a full. Lock it down. Now you should be at 3 3/4 diameter because you opened the pulley up a little bit.
How do you know it's you turned it a quarter?
It's just by measuring it with like internally with a ruler. That's just the way it is.
Oh.
Okay? Alright, now it's actually opened up. So now the belt is actually going to sit a little bit further in the pulley now. Okay? Always put it on a smaller pulley first. Then wrap it around this here. Now check it out. The belt is a little bit looser. Everybody see that? We need to tighten it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw this inward, and this is going to pull the motor out to take away some of the tension, or to take away some of the slack in the belt. Like I said in class, you want to have about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of play. Because if you have too much, it's too tight, you're going to put a lot of stress on the bearings of the motor and actually the squirrel cage itself.
How do you know when it's tight? Like
Oh,
tight
fine.
enough?
You can move it about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. That's,
All right.
that's good right there.
Okay.
Once you do that, you're going to turn it on again. And you're going to get your readings again.
Okay.
Okay? And remember to times it by 0.72 to get your air volume.
Yeah.
Alright? Let's get those readings. Okay. Let's stop. Melt off again. Loosen it up. And then you're going to do another turn. Tighten it down.
Which way are you always turning?
Back
To the left?
Counterclockwise.
Okay.
To open it up. Clockwise screws it inward to make it bigger. Now after doing that, our belt's going to sit even further in the bullet. And again, it's loose.
It should be looser every time, right?
Yes, it will be.